everyone, we have this Daawat Rozana 40 Mini Mogra 2 Basmati rice. So let's check it out. This one is 10 kg pack, MRP is 545, but we got it from JioMart for 449, meaning 1 kg cost us rupees 45 only. Generally the pack mentioned rice to water ratio, but there is no cooking instructions on the pack. Okay, here is the rice. It's very small grain, all broken pieces. Almost all the rice are broken only, 1/4 grain size I would say. And the color is light yellow tint. Okay, the pack says it's 2-year-old rice. The older the rice, the better it cooks. And to cook it, first wash it properly and soak for 30 minutes. And if you're cooking by open pot method, boil 5 cup of water for 1 cup of rice and add rice to boiling water. Cook on medium flame for 6-7 minutes. If you're cooking in cooker for 1 cup rice, add 2 cups of water and just 1 whistle. So here our rice is cooked. We are going to strain it. The size is small, which was expected, but the cooked rice are soft and taste is not bad. For 45 rupees kg, it's decent. You can try it for kheer, khichdi, idli dosa batter, or if you're looking for budget option for daily use, you can definitely give it a try. But don't expect much of a aroma and taste. It's pretty much of a basic starting range of rice. And I hope you find the video useful. Subscribe. Bye bye.